How to fix the Wi-Fi fail to connect to network on your Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Android phone says Wi-Fi failed to connect to network, it usually means there's either a software glitch, network configuration problem, or something interfering with the signal. So here are some ways to fix this. First of all, you need to check for your internet connection. You can try to toggle the airplane mode, turn it on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Now check and Wi-Fi switch. You can turn Wi Fi on and off again and then verify the password. Sometimes restarting your phone and the router could also connect the network. In some cases, you might have to reset the network. In order to do so, go to Settings and Network and Internet. After that, tap on your Wi Fi. Then click on the settings or the gear icon next to your Wi Fi connection and tap on Forget. Now tap on Connect again and give in your password. Also make sure that your date and time has been set correct. Wrong date and time can cause authentication error. For this, go to settings again. Then go to the system. Once you tap on system, you will see the option of date and time. Tap on it and make sure to toggle on the option of set time automatically. If this does not work, you might have to reset the network settings. For this, go to the previous page, which is settings and then system, then tap on reset. Tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. After this, connect to your Wi-Fi and you're good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.